whole background to it. Nightlife is so happening, everybody is away. Underwater, I'm freaking scared of, guys. So this is like a clip, and the reason that I did not get any other cutesy stuff from Platinum Mall, this is the shirt that I got. Welcome to my channel. My name is Indu Harikrishnan, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. How are you guys doing? It's been a very long time since I sat down and spoke something. I have not filmed long content for a while now, but then I have been very active in Instagram and also in YouTube Shorts, if you have seen. And yes guys, recently I was on a trip to Thailand and it was amazing. Like one of the best trips I think I've ever had. It's been a few days since I've come back to India, but then I have so much content to film.
By the way guys, if I look a little tired, I am definitely tired because like I've come back just now. It's Friday night. No, it's actually Saturday morning because it's past midnight. I came like sometime back only, and I don't know why I was like, I'll film this content today. I was super pumped. I was like, let me do this, let me film some content because it's been super long. And also I think one of the reasons is I want to start using these things that I got from Thailand.
Yes guys, it's going to be a Thailand haul video. So yes guys, it's been a while since I got these things. I think a couple of days because I came back to Chennai and then I came to Bangalore, and then there was work which I started immediately after coming from the trip. So I want to like get these things off the suitcase and start using them, because generally when I come I keep them in place and I start using them, and every day I'm looking at the suitcase and I'm like, when am I going to start using these things? So it's a mix of different products. There's so much noise outside. There are so many people outside. Bangalore never sleeps guys, so there are so many people outside. I can still hear noise, but nevertheless we are going to do a Thailand haul video guys. And background check, I hope it's okay. I think it's good guys. Like you can also see the street light coming in here because the balcony is open. So one more thing, I will be doing a detailed video on many places in Thailand that I went to. So many places in Thailand, like literally it was like a mind-blowing experience. One day I'm doing parasailing, one day I'm underwater. Like it was such a crazy experience guys. I can't even tell you. One of the most fulfilling trips I feel in a very long time was this Thailand trip. Coming to that, there are so many videos that I will be filming in detail. Example, all about the Alcazar show, all about like Nong Noch Garden. There are so many things that I want to tell, but those are going to come eventually because I'm just back. There is so much work. You don't know, I do like a full-time job as well, plus I'm doing YouTube, plus I'm like going here and there all the time. So I need some time, but I do YouTube, Instagram out of passion, and I really love doing it. So I will be filming content for YouTube as well. So yes guys, I will be filming so many different topics. Hair fixing time guys, sorry. And yeah, the minute I told like Thailand trip, right, like 2-3 of my friends, actually I went with my parents. My dad had planned this trip actually. There is a whole background to it, like I'll tell you quickly. So one day on the call I was telling my mom,
there are so many vehicles outside at this time guys. Randomly I was telling her like, you remember bubble tea? Oh my god, I crave bubble tea. Like Burma is here, which is like a Burmese restaurant, right? So I was telling her like the bubble tea only there it is nice, which is so far. And apart from that, in Singapore we had amazing bubble tea. So that is how my conversation with mom over a phone call started. And then in the next 2 days my dad is sending an entire trip of like Singapore actually, not Thailand but Singapore. And I'm like, why suddenly my dad has planned a trip? I don't know, I was thinking. And then after that I thought like maybe my dad also wanted a trip and that's why he had planned. So I was like, okay, not bad. My dad is also thinking the same way, like he needs a trip as well, which is a good thing, right? And then later on call, my dad was telling like, no, you had told about bubble tea, right? So we planned a Singapore trip. I was like, what is happening? Like, a bubble tea, a whole trip has been planned. And then later we changed it to Thailand because we all as a family have been to Singapore already. Like I think like it's been a couple of years, like 5 years or 6 years back, we have been to Singapore.
We thought Thailand because we have never been, but before going we never expected it's going to be such a beautiful like happening. Like I don't even know, it's such a very feel good place. Like you know, it's so nice. It's very nice guys. Like you should definitely visit Thailand at least once, because before going all you think of is the nightlife. There is so much to it. Even 2-3 of my friends were like,
are you going to Thailand with your parents? Oh my god.
And all that. Like that is total BS guys. Nothing like that. Thailand is a very, what to say, like inclusive place. It's good for kids. There's so many families that come literally. We saw huge groups of people in different locations from like India. Indians are like major there. From India, from Korea, like from Africa. We saw many groups coming to Thailand. There are so many people from everywhere. Well, all across the world people do come to Thailand. It's a super chilling place. And if anybody is telling you no, it's only very couple place and all that, that's not very true. That's totally wrong actually, because there are so many things for kids. There are many things for like parents actually. There are so many things to just explore and roam around. It is a very cute place actually, so anyone can go, and like parents are not restricted from going to Thailand. Come on guys, so you can take your parents. It's a very beautiful place. They're really going to love it. There are a hell lot of families that get their kids for like the safari world, the Nong Noch Garden. There are so many things for kids. There are very cute and interesting things for kids to explore actually. Definitely take your families and go.
And the 2 friends who were telling were actually guys only. Girls didn't tell anything, okay? And maybe they had other plans which we didn't have, because you know there are a lot of like leafy greens which are legal there. We didn't have any plans, but they
just wanted to to explore and do all touristy stuff, which we definitely did. That is quite an introduction for Thailand. It was a 6-day trip and we tried to accommodate as much as possible, like from morning till night, because like the nightlife is so happening, everybody is awake. Literally we used to come late in the night and go back early in the morning. I like doing trips like that where I can see many places within the days that we have planned. So that was amazing because I don't like resting on a trip. Seriously guys, we went through a travel agency. Actually my dad knew them, so they are from Kerala, so they had planned the entire trip and they were so freaking good. Like one of the best organized trips because it was a customized package only for my family, right? So there was a car which took us around everywhere, within Pattaya everywhere, and also from Pattaya to Bangkok. So we went only to Pattaya and Bangkok because together, if all the places in Thailand you at least want to visit and see touristy places, you definitely need at least 15 days or 20 days. So we went to Pattaya and then we went to Bangkok. So the places that we didn't go are Phuket, Krabi, Koh Samui and Chiang Mai. Yeah, I think I'm telling it right. So Koh Samui I want to do it separately because it is such a beautiful island. Like it needs just, if you want to just relax and go sometime, Koh Samui would be the place. So yes guys, it was a very convenient trip. Also with parents, like we can't do too much of like backpacking or like exploring because you know we need some sort of convenient trip. So we had like a car to take us around and the travels was very good. If you need the details, you can DM me. I can let you know which travels we went through, what are the contacts and everything. I can let you know in my DM. And yes guys, I think with that I have told most of the information, but then in the future videos you can expect me to say more about Thailand trip.
It's like you can see these cuties have come out now. Like I have like shooting star pimples here. I got so freaking tan by the 3rd day or 4th day. Like literally I got so tan. Like I think you can see even now, like so freaking tan.
Literally like I could see like the difference from here to here, and I get tan very easily guys. And sometimes like you know there was also like no time to like sit and reapply sunscreen every 2 hours also, because the major tanning happened in Coral Island because we were doing so many activities literally the whole day, and there was no time to apply sunscreen and anything because you finish one, go to the next spot, and then they'll take you in a boat to different island spots for different activities. So it was amazing. It was one of the best experiences and I did so many things which I thought I would not do. So tanning happened so bad. Like right now it's becoming okay. Like I can let you know the skincare, whatever I'm doing, but the tan is still there guys. Like I have light and all in front of me, so it does not show up much, but tanning is definitely there. And then I got these boils. Now only I got it. Maybe like heat. Bangalore is very hot guys. It's super hot even now because it's summer season right now. So yes guys, after all that introduction, I think I should really start with the haul video because I think I've only been talking and not telling anything about what I got. So I have placed everything. Look at these covers guys. The plastic covers are like very common in Thailand. Anything and everything you get in plastic covers actually. So the first thing that I got, I'm going to go store wise like what I got. That is easier to say, you know, what I got from each store. So compared to any trip that I've gone in the past, like any trip that I've gone in the past, the shopping here is so less. Like literally I always used to get like a suitcase full of stuff whenever I go to any trip, like Europe trip or like Singapore. I used to get like a suitcase full of different things that I wanted, and majorly we used to be shopping most of the days. In this trip only one last day we kept for shopping because it's a very experience rich place than like a shopping place. It's also a huge shopping place. Like I've heard a lot like Bangkok shopping is so good and everything, which is very true, but I think we could keep only one day for shopping, which was the last day, and that also was like a super last minute shopping. So maybe if you're going to prioritize one full day for shopping, which is going to be very helpful. And I would suggest shop in Bangkok than in Pattaya because Bangkok stuff comes to Pattaya, so you rather shop in Bangkok itself than coming and shopping in Pattaya for extra money. And yes guys, our driver also suggested we shop in Bangkok than in Pattaya. We had only like 1 or 2 days in Bangkok because maximum days we were spending only in Pattaya. Only the last 2 days we went to Bangkok, so the shopping time also was so less. We didn't shop much in like Pattaya. But the first place that we went for shopping in Bangkok is the Platinum Mall. You would have heard a lot about this mall. Like, you know, it's one of the best places to shop. It is super affordable. It is like 7 floors or something, and there is a huge section for like clothes, for like makeup, for skincare, for bags, for shoes, whatnot guys. One of the things that I've heard a lot and seen a lot of YouTubers talking about is the Platinum Mall. So we were like, okay fine, let's go to the Platinum Mall. We literally cancelled one of the dinner cruise plans that we had guys so that we can go and shop, but it was worth it. There were some disappointing things as well, which I will be telling you. So the first thing that I got from Platinum Mall is this cute little clip. Anyone who goes to Bali, anyone who goes to Thailand must have given you, or you would have seen this if you have gone there, this clip or like this lily pattern, right? I think so. This flower I definitely wanted to get for sure. So this is like a clip, and so this is like a clip actually, like if I put it properly you'll know. And the same thing I had got for my sisters as well. One was pink and one was blue or something, I guess. So matching clips for me and my sisters. I like it. It is super pretty actually. It's a very like super pretty. It shows Thailand, it shows Bali kind of vibe. So I love this clip. So I got this and like 2 more. The gifts for rest of my family members, I've left it at my parents' place actually because it's easier for them to collect it that way. But then I do have pictures taken, so I will be inserting it here and there. Please watch out.
Okay.
And the next thing that I got from Thailand is this cute pouch, guys, which is written Thailand with elephant picture. It is such a cute one. It is a shiny purse. There are so many things that you will find in like this pattern. This has like all this paper inside, which I will remove later. Really love the design. They had so many colors actually. This is the next thing that I got. You will find many like this actually, many in like different sizes. You'll even find bags like this actually. So I forgot to tell, guys, I think this clip was like 10 baht or 20 baht, I don't remember. I think it was 20 baht actually, and 3 together it was 50 baht or like 60 baht, one of these. I don't think they had given it for less, but I think one was 20 baht, and wallet again was 20 baht only, I think, because it was like pick anything for 20 baht. And if you are a tourist, definitely something that you would get is a magnet. So I got a fridge magnet because wherever I go, I definitely collect a fridge magnet, like all of us do, right? So whenever I went to Netherlands or like, you know, Paris or whatever, I always collected a fridge magnet. So this is the fridge magnet that I got. It's written Thailand, and like there is this elephant picture and there is this temple picture actually. So this is very beautiful, guys. So this is the next thing that I got. So Thailand number 1 is over. Next thing. So these all are from Platinum Mall itself, guys. And one thing I tell you about Platinum Mall, guys, you have to really look through each store and look for like good pieces for like lesser prices, literally, because some products I had noticed in one shop it was like, say, like 800 baht, another shop it was like 500 baht. There was like a difference in price for the same piece actually. So you need to be very careful when you're choosing the store. Also, there are so many shops, my god, in Platinum Mall, like so many shops. It is amazing. One thing is like you get very good designs, you get amazing designs in Platinum Mall, but again you can bargain to a certain extent. Some stores do bargain, like 50 baht less or like 100 baht less, they sometimes agree. So it is good to bargain whenever you buy something from Platinum Mall. And one of the stores I was just going through, and this beautiful co-ord set, guys, like this thela is like disturbing the view. Although it is like a very big size, it is super big for me, guys. It's like a pastel green shade. This is the top and it comes with the skirt, guys. This is the skirt. It's like almost like a midi skirt. So this is a co-ord set, this and this. Whenever I style it, I'll definitely post on Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram, guys, at indukrish_. And yes, guys, the main thing about this is this I got for 200 baht, which is so cheap actually. Like literally 200 baht for skirt and top co-ord set, and the quality is very good actually. This is the next one that I got, guys. Okay, guys, again from Platinum Mall, this is the next one that I got. This is like a beige skirt. I fell in love with it. It is a full length skirt and it is actually so pretty, guys. Like this color is so nice. This material, it is like a cotton material, I think, if I'm not wrong. One more thing is, if you go to Thailand, you should definitely get something in like linen or like cotton. That material is so happening, and so pretty. Like you literally see women dressed up in like cotton or linen pants and like shirts, and it looks so freaking classy. The next thing that I got from Thailand, guys, is this beautiful check shirt. The minute I saw it, I loved it, and I think it is made in Korea or something. I remember, yeah. It is from The Ways, the brand is called, and it is designed by Korea. So it is an amazing, it's very Korea types actually, you can see it. So this is the shirt that I got. It is super comfortable, it is super loose, it is such good quality cotton, guys, like really good quality cotton and linen. You definitely get in Thailand. Don't miss out buying on that, guys. A very casual one, so I can style it on one of the days. I am super excited to buy this one, guys. So I think I told the price, guys. The skirt was for like 350 baht and the top was for, I think, 199 baht, like 200 baht, around that. The next thing, guys, like people who have followed me and have followed my previous haul video know that something cartoon will definitely be there, guys. I'm so obsessed with cartoon and like cartoon things to buy. So
next thing that I got from Platinum Mall is this PJs, which has like cute cartoon in it. It was so cute, and you will find many outlets which has like amazing PJs actually of different designs, of different cartoons. So you can purchase one of them. I so love this, guys, and it was super comfortable. It is cotton, of course. So look at this, guys. So cute, like literally so cute, guys. Like I get so happy seeing like cartoon stuff. And yeah, all this paper we'll remove. So this is the top, guys. Look at this. It is written pup everywhere with like a pup and an ice cream. It is so cute.
this is the pant, guys. It is a full length pant, but it is not too long for me, and it is so cute. Like look at this, guys. PJ, the minute I saw, I was like, I need it. I really have to buy it. They had many amazing cartoon ones. Personally, from Netherlands also, I got so many amazing cartoon stuff. So I thought, okay, fine, let me buy at least this one. So this is the next one that I got. Okay guys, the reason that I did not get any other cutesy stuff from Platinum Mall, so that's it about Platinum Mall, okay? Because once I got this PJ set, there was this sound. I was like, what's happening? And then I was hearing it again and again. They closed Platinum Mall by 8 p.m. guys. I was so bummed about it. I was literally so pissed off because we didn't have any other day to shop. The next day we were leaving and I had hardly got few things, is what that point of time I definitely thought. And I didn't expect they were closing Platinum Mall so soon because it's one of the most famous malls there to shop. And Thailand is full of tourists. Like, why did they close the mall at 8 p.m.? I don't know if it was a Sunday or what that we went, but I would highly suggest, like, when you're going to Platinum Mall, please check the timings and go, guys, because I think they close by 8 p.m. So practically out of the entire mall, I would have seen just 1 or 2 floors. One floor is like huge. It has so many shops. So if you're going to Platinum Mall, I would say check the timings for the day and also like make sure that you go early so that you can spend the entire day and explore all the floors, because otherwise they close it very soon, which was such a bummer because tourists are going to shop in the evening and in the night only. I don't know why they closed it so soon. And then I was randomly buying so many things like that. Only I bought the purse and like the magnet because last minute I needed at least that. And remaining I was like, okay fine, let's see. Like I was like, okay fine, shopping is like, that's all from Thailand. All the stores were closed. .8 they were closed actually. So that was like a huge bummer for me because there was like the makeup section and the skincare section. Skincare is amazing in Thailand, but I didn't get any skincare from that, guys. But then now when I see, right, you'll see the remaining haul. I'm happy because I got what I needed, because I always stock so many things, like so many clothes, so many products, so many things when I travel and come back. Like that much is not completely used as well, I feel, right? So but another thing is I had to shop less anyways, guys, because my suitcase was very heavy even when we went from India to Thailand. Like when we had checked the weight, it was almost, so I think 20 kgs is allowed. Mine was already 15 to 16 kgs. So practically I had to shop less anyways, guys. So yeah, that was about Platinum Mall. So please check the timings and please make sure that you explore each and every floor. We didn't explore all the floors actually. I think there's a separate building also in the opposite for like skincare and makeup. So yes, guys, that's what we bought from Platinum Mall in Bangkok. Before going to the Platinum Mall, or even before going to Thailand, I was like, I will vlog every single day. I will literally show the places and talk, which I did. I did take clips, guys, but travel vloggers, I really don't know how they do it, because I think the first day I vlogged, like I spoke and I vlogged from the spot itself, showing that this is the place, this is where we are, blah blah and all that. But from evening, I think I stopped doing that. I was so exhausted. I was like, I can't do this, and I also wanted to enjoy the place, right? So I took clips and I thought I'll do voiceover, or I will do like a sit down and chat video. And even the Platinum Mall, like that, all the floors I wanted to show, but we ourselves didn't have time, right? So yeah, I don't think I have like a vlog of Platinum Mall, but then you get really good stuff there, guys, and do bargain and do wear very comfortable shoes because it's a huge space actually. So you want to like be very comfortable while shopping from there. Okay, guys, once we finished Platinum Mall, I still wanted to shop, and I know like night markets are very famous in Thailand, guys. So we went for dinner, and after that I was checking already in my phone like where night markets are good near my hotel so that we can just come back soon. And tuk-tuk is always available. There are taxis always available, so that was not a problem for us. And I checked one of the night markets near my place. And then we were like, let's not do the same mistake. If it's going to shut soon, then what's the whole point of going till there? So we asked the taxi driver like which night market is open for a really long time, and they suggested the Palladium night market. It is open till 2 a.m. or 2:30 a.m., which is a very good timing, guys. Like this is one of the best things about Thailand. Like you can shop at like 1 a.m. 2 a.m. and these are not super expensive markets. These are literally like street shopping that you do. It is so amazing, guys. Once they took us there, I was mind blown. It is not a very like silent or like, you know, not happening kind of like place. It is super happening at midnight also, guys. Even at like 1 a.m. 2 a.m. it is super crowded. There are so many shops. There is like music going on. Like there are a hell lot of tourists buying something or the other. It's a super busy place even past midnight, and especially if you're around Palladium night market, then I highly suggest you go to this particular night market, because A, it is open very late in the night or like in the early morning up until 2 a.m. 2:30 a.m. it is open. And another thing, there are so many shops. Like it was never ending. Like there are lanes and then lanes, and then again, like, you know, the shopping never ends. Like that many shops are there in the night, which I feel is one of the best things in Thailand. Like, you know, tourists can shop at their convenience even at like midnight, which is a very good thing. So from the night market, I did get a couple of things for me as well as my family as well, guys. Okay, guys, with that, let's move on to the night market shopping that I did in Bangkok. So the first thing that I got is this elephant shirt. I was eyeing this for a very long time. because it's one of the prints you will see very commonly in Thailand, because Thailand's national animal is Asian elephant. So I definitely wanted a shirt like this, and you will see a lot of people wearing this also. So I got one in blue for myself. I wore it on the last day as well actually. And then I bought like a brown and an orange one, I think, for my sisters. So we three have matching shirts as well, guys. It's going to be a matching time. So this is the shirt that I got. I love it so much. It's very comfortable. The size is perfect as well. So this is the first thing that I got. And after this I got t-shirts for my brother-in-laws. I think one was written Thailand and another had like Thailand print and everything. So I will insert the pictures here, guys, so that you can see. And all these were like 100 baht, like 99 baht. Night market is super affordable, I would say. Like if you're looking for really classy prints, nice designs, like beautiful outfits, then Platinum Mall is definitely your place. If you're looking for super like beachwear, like affordable clothing in general, then I think the night market is definitely good. After that there was like a shop, like amazing pants they had, and I was looking for a brown pant anyways. So I saw this pant and I really wanted to buy it, guys. This color I was looking for like a very long time, and I did get a similar one in Netherlands Hague Market, guys, if you had seen the haul, but then that is too loose for me. After that I tried it and it was very loose for me. This one is perfect. I came home and tried as well, and then the label has something in Thai only. So yes, guys, this pant is amazing, and even the finish is so good, guys. This is also like 150 baht or something only, guys. They have amazing pants. There are so many shops that you can pick and choose from. And I got this pant. I think my mom also got like 2 pants for herself, just like the kurta pants actually, which was like a different print, which is also like very beautiful. So again, those pictures I will insert somewhere here, guys. Then I also got cute little matching outfits for my niece and nephews, guys. Like so cute. Like I got like that elephant print shirt and like trousers for my 2 nephews and my niece. So that is very cute. I'm waiting for them to wear it.
They look so freaking cute in that, guys.
Then very important, guys, when I was going to Thailand, I thought I definitely need to get this because I've seen a lot of people like talking about this. Those are nothing but balms. These are not lip balms, guys. These are like your cold cough balms. Like these are like super good in Thailand, guys. I don't know what kind of herbs they use or something. Like I've heard a lot about this yellow balm in specific. I wish I had got more actually. After coming back, I was thinking we got the whole packs, but it is for my mom, my dad, my sisters, and if you have to give someone, I picked one from each and came. The next time I go, I'm definitely buying like a full pack. I don't think I will need those many, but then these balms are so good, guys. Like you would have heard a lot about like the Thailand yellow balm and everything. That's how they call it. Like it's all written in Thai, but this is the main and like the most famous one, I think, which is like the one for flu, I guess. It's not like a balm that you can apply. Let me just show it to you. This has like a small netted pouch inside it. I don't know if you can see, guys. Yeah, so this has like a small netted pouch inside it, guys, and it has herbs inside that. You just sniff and the smell is so strong actually. The smell is so strong. The smell is so powerful. It is very nice. It's something just to sniff. Like you can't take and apply like your Vicks or your Amrutanjan or whatever, guys. But then this balm is so effective. Like I got the very small one. Like I was telling you, right? Like that's what I should have got, like the bigger one. You get like a big size. Like one is also enough. I'm very sure this is going to come a very long time. Like it's just sniffing thing, right? So it's going to come like a very long time. But then if you want like a fresh one, I don't think it is available in India much, or else it's going to be super priced and not that original, I feel. So best is to get from there, and I do have one of each, which is very good for now, and in case I want the next trip only I have to buy, guys. So this yellow balm for sure I think you should get, and I don't remember the price of the small one actually, but then you can get the bigger one. That's going to be helpful, or even the small one is very pocket friendly. So this is how the yellow balm is, and I'm explaining about all the medicinal balms now, guys, in my haul, but it is one of the best things you can purchase from Thailand. It is also a very good gifting item actually. In case you have elders at home, you can gift your parents, your grandparents, or like anyone for that matter. This is going to be a very good gifting option. They're going to love it, I'm telling you. And this balm, guys, again we bought like a full pack. We bought full packs of all of these. It comes in 6 or like 3, something like that. This was like a multi-purpose balm is what they were telling. This we got in a separate store. I don't remember. I think in 7-Eleven or somewhere we got it. But again in the Palladium night market, there was a store only for these balms actually, which was one of the amazing stores. I was buying something else. My parents were in this store, and that's when I went and checked. Like there's a whole store for only these medicinal balms, which is amazing. This is like a multi-purpose balm. I think this is for like insect sting and like headache and like dizziness or something, like so many things she had mentioned. So this is like a multi-purpose balm that you can use. You can Google and check for what all you can use, guys, but this is like a multi-purpose balm that she had mentioned. And this is one of the interesting balms we had bought, guys. This is like sleep balm. So it is mentioned here, if you can see. This is sleep balm, and it is written moisturizing herb massage lavender. So this is what is written. They were explaining to us like you have to apply it here on your forehead and on your chest area, and you will get sleep in some time. I don't know how far it is true, but I have slept, but also it could be because I was feeling sleepy. But to a certain extent, I do believe these balms are very, very good, guys. So highly suggest you also get the sleeping balm. And there was one more balm which was for like joint pain and aches and everything, which is amazing. Got like the biggest size in that, and I said because like my dad and mom would need it. I didn't take that because I won't need it much, touch wood. And my parents would need it because my mom gets leg pain and everything. So I left it there. I didn't take that one. Also the size was pretty big, so I didn't need that. So this is about the medicinal balms. There are so many, guys. There are multiple balms for like joint pain and aches and everything, for headache, for sleep, like so many balms actually, and all of these are like herbal medicinal balm. It is good. So while my parents were checking this out, I was actually in another store. I was telling you, right, I was buying this fan. I was so interested in this fan because there was a full store only for these hand fans, guys, and I was looking for a good hand fan, and whatever I bought from Amazon, the quality is so bad. Like, let me tell you, once I bought it, I returned it because it didn't work. The next time I bought it, worked okay, but then it was not up to the mark. And when I saw this, I was like, I need a hand fan from Thailand because the quality looked super good. Like of course she demoed and everything and she showed. So this has again 3 levels. Look at this, guys. It is so good, and since it is the summer, we definitely need a hand fan. So this one I got, and also I think one of the main reasons I got was it was super cheap. It was just 80 baht. So actually it was 120. Yeah, the night market also you can bargain a lot actually. Like the Platinum Mall, at least like a little bit only they'll reduce, I feel, but night market they reduce it a lot actually. So I would say bargain a lot when you go to the Palladium night market, and this was around like 110 or like 120 baht, and she gave it to me for like 80 baht because I was buying 3, one for me and mom and dad. Like later my mom was telling we should have got more of these, like in case we wanted to give, because the quality is actually very good. So like all fans, this also has like 3 modes, and then it is super good, guys. This is very, very one of the most useful things I bought because it is the summer season. It's peak summer, so in case I want to go anywhere. So actually this is the fan, and then you have the stand also that comes with this, and then you get like a small USB also because it's a rechargeable fan, right? So this is the next thing that I got, guys, and it is super helpful. All this for 80 baht, which is amazing, guys. Actually the next thing that I got from the night market in this cute little cover which has elephant everywhere, which is so cute. It is this beautiful fragrant soap in like different shades. This is lily flower, like so pretty. It smells like the object itself. Like this smells like a flower, literally. This is one of the very good gifting options, guys. Like I saw these soaps even in Platinum Mall and one of the other places that we went, but it was super expensive. Like one soap was like 99 baht or 100 baht, but then in this night market one soap was like 30 baht or 40 baht only, and when you buy 3 or 4 they give it for a much subsidized price. So I would highly suggest, if you want to buy these soaps even for gifting purposes, buy it in the night market. It is super less, and also the designs are like amazing. So I got this lily one, and the smell is so good, guys. I can't even tell you. So this I mainly got for gifting purposes for friends. And the next one that I have here is the sunflower. Again, this smells so good. This has a very mild smell, but look at the shape, guys. It is so pretty, guys. And then after this, in this again I got this mango, because mango sticky rice very famous in Thailand, so that's why I got this mango. It smells just like mango. Like I feel like eating a mango when I smell this. It has such a strong smell of mango, guys. This was overpowering. So my entire packet was like smelling of like flower and like mango, and trust me, my entire suitcase smells of these actually, like because these smells are like so strong. And all of these has the string also on top where you can hang it in the bathroom, and you will get just a fragrance also. It is good for that as well. So I got 3 of these.
The last thing from the night market, guys, one of my most favorite things in this entire haul is literally one of the things that I bought from Thailand, and it's my most favorite thing is this phone cover, guys. I saw this shop, I went crazy. I was like, definitely need this, because to be honest, I have been hunting these for a very long time. I checked online, everywhere. Some of it is super price, or it was not in carton or anything. Oh yeah, I got one more carton thing, guys, by the way. So this is a pop socket, or like a phone holder, whatever you call it. You can place it and then you can push it back. This is so cute, guys. Like the minute I saw Winnie the Pooh, I was like, I need this. There were so many more. I had to buy so many, but I was like, I need one phone cover for now, and with like a good pop socket, because it comes attached. Look at this. Like usually here, many I have seen like you buy the phone case and like a separate pop socket, but I wanted something which has the holder with the case. They had Tom and Jerry. They had like other cartoons as well. Like whatever you want, you can buy. Like there was this whole store of this. Like, it was my most favorite store in the night market. I wish I had got 1 or 2 more, to be very honest, but one is like 200 baht or something, which is actually not bad, because for my iPhone and for this design with the holder, it is really good, guys. And this is a cute cartoon also, but I really wish I had got at least 1 more. Nevertheless, this is a very good phone cover, and this is my most favorite thing that I got from the night market, guys.
And I was like, my god, I got this finally, and I was very happy about it. Okay, that was from the night market, but still there are 1 or 2 things that I wanted to show. So there was this place called Pattaya Gems Gallery that we went. You should visit this place because they will show you how different different gems are found, how they are mined, how they are processed, and how like the jewelry is made out of that. Like it is such a beautiful place. First they will take you in that small train kind of thing, right? It goes to different places and shows you like how different gems are found, how they separate it, and how they like process it, how they polish it, and how they make the final jewelry. It was amazing. Like every girl would love seeing this actually. Then it leads to the store, which is such a big store. My god, it's literally like a candy store for a woman, because there are so many different types of gems, so many different types of jewelry in there, and there's like a huge range for like rings, for like earrings, for like bracelets, for chains, for everything, guys. So we love the place. Also my dad ended up gifting me a ring actually. It is such a pretty ring, guys. It is some kind of diamond is what the lady there told us, and it is a red color stone. I so loved it when I saw it. Actually my dad picked a different one and I didn't like it because it had like that snake kind of pattern and I was not so interested in it. I wanted like a single stone and we ended up buying this red color. So yes guys, this is the ring that my dad gifted. You have many different variants in different ranges. You have diamonds, emeralds, sapphires, like whatever stone you want. They had different kind of stones and there were so many names actually. The lady that was explaining to us, and also in the gems gallery you can see how they make it as well, guys. So it is a must visit place. It's very good. So we're almost coming to the end of the haul, guys. Last two things that I wanted to show you is from Nom Nouge Garden actually. When we went to Nom Nouge Garden, there were so many elephants, right? And that person had these again rings, guys. This elephant hair rings is kind of like good to wear or something like that. So we got this, which is again, I think this was not too much. This was like 100-150 baht only, but it is very good, guys. So this is also something that I wear. As it is, I wear so many rings. Rings is one of my favorite jewelry, guys. I've told it already. So something like this it would look like. So as per your size they would give it to you. This is how the elephant ring would look. It would be black in color. My mom got one, my dad also got one. This is how the ring would look. This is again recently my parents had gifted, guys. So the last thing for the haul, guys, it's not really something like an item that I bought from Thailand, but it is a memory that I got from Thailand, but nevertheless it is paid. So there were these elephants in Nom Nouge Garden and you can feed them, take pictures with them, which was like kind of like very cute. And it is very interesting because in the entire stadium they end up searching you based on your photo and they come and give it to you. Because of that effort itself, I wanted to buy this photo. I did feed the elephants, I did take pictures with them. They were so cute, guys. And that time I had got this photo frame in Nom Nouge Garden, guys. This is one of my favorite memories from there, and this picture is so beautiful. I really like this picture, and they charge around 200 baht for this, I think. I really love this frame actually. It is so pretty and it is like a photo frame, and like this we had collected many memories actually. Even in Pattaya floating market they did click pictures and we had taken that. Like these are tourist places, right? They would click your picture and you would not even know, and once you're done with the trip they would ask you, do you want to buy it? And if you want, they would charge you like 100 baht or 200 baht. Like that we had collected few memories. Alright guys, that's all for the Thailand haul. I hope you really liked it. I got many different things, so I loved shopping in Thailand, and also there are so many things to shop from Thailand. I would definitely visit this beautiful country just for shopping. It is amazing, and I hope you like the shopping haul, guys, and you got an idea or two like what to buy from Thailand. And yes guys, I'm posting a lot of like Thailand content in Instagram and also in like YouTube shorts. I'm loving all the response and the views I'm getting in Instagram, guys. Thank you so much for your support. So if you're already not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram at indukrish_. I'll leave the handle somewhere here and also in the description box below. With that, I'm going to end this video. I'll see you soon in another video, guys. Until then, bye guys.